the equations of a circle given the center and radius, and then graph a circle from the equation in standard form. So equation of a circle, this is your generic look. The HK is the center, x minus h. H is your x value, y minus k, the k is your y value, equals r squared, where r is your radius. So on the next one, find the equation of each circle given the individual values. Remember, it's going to be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals whatever the radius is squared. So on this one, we have 0, 0. So we can write it as x minus 0, but this is kind of redundant. So we're just going to write x squared plus y squared equals 4 squared. So in the end, this is x squared plus y squared equals 16. And there you have it. Okay, so the next one. So we have x minus 2 squared plus y minus a negative 1 squared equals 3 squared. So this gives us x minus 2 squared plus y, two negatives make a positive, plus 1 squared equals 9. Okay, the next one, we're going to leave things as fractions. If they're fractions, we leave them alone. 0 and 1/2, so x is 0, so it's just simply going to be x squared plus y minus 1/2 squared equals 1/3 squared. Clean it up, we get x squared plus y minus 1/2 squared equals 1/9. Now, I hope you've caught on to the fact that you really don't have to do all of this work over and over and over again. Just write it in there. X minus a negative 4, two negatives make positive, plus y minus 7 equals the square root of 5 squared is 5. So I do want, you can plug and check and then clean up, or you can just identify the fact of what's going on. This one here, x minus a negative 5. Again, two negatives make a positive. Squared plus y minus 0, so just y squared, equals 9/2 squared, so 81/4. And then one more. Go ahead and pause the video and try this yourself. See how you do before you look at the answer. Okay, so hopefully you paused it and you wrote it down, and now you get to check it. So this is x minus a negative 1 squared. Of course, I put my plus and my negative too close together. Try that one again. X minus a negative 1 squared plus y minus a negative 3 squared equals square root of 2 squared is simply 2/2 squared, 4. This one you might want to, you don't have to, but you might want to rewrite it as x plus 1 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 1/2. There you go. Okay, so from there we have graphing to do. So I have x squared, y squared, no plus or minuses there, so my center is 0, 0. And my radius is the square root of 4, which is going to give me 2. No plus or minus, just 2. So from here, I have my center here at 0, go out 2, go up 2, to the left 2, and down 2. And then that's going to get you the graph. I'm going to put you on pause here for a second. Okay, so all we have left to do is graph it. Now, of course, you're going to be trying to do these perfect little circles, but I'm going to use this here to get me going on. So my center's here, and I just go out to what my radius is. And I have a nice, beautiful circle. Okay, so next one, x minus, so my x value is 1. Remember, this is y minus a negative 2. So this is going to be negative 2. And the square root of 1 is simply 1. And then we plot our points. Center is at 1, negative 2, so it's down here. And then radius of 1. So to the right 1, to the left 1, up 1, down 1. You draw your little circle. I'm going to get this guy out of here. And from the center, there's my circle. As you can see, a very little circle. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, remember this x minus the negative 2, so negative 2 is the x value, and I already have the y minus, so I get 3 here. Radius is the square root of 9, which gives us 3. So negative 2, 3, and then I'm going to go out 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And there's my circle. Okay, hopefully this is clear for you guys. You're going, okay, hey, this isn't so bad stuff. Because the rest of these we're going to do in class. So the ones that I've already done, we're not going to, I'll ask if there's any questions regarding them. Did I make a mistake? But we're going to do these 3 in class. Make sure you guys are 100%. And then the homework is going to be worksheets that will be here in the classroom for you. I'll put them online as well, but let you know that there are going to be some worksheets. Okay, look at that, 7 minutes, first lesson done.